We are pleased to show you the 2019 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, power liftgate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.